हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सभी। तो चलो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारा एफकैट का मैथ्स। तो हमें पता है कि हमारे एफकैट के मैथ्स में टोटल 100 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ 25 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है हमारा मैथ्स। ओके, उससे पहले मैं एक आपको बात कहती हूँ कि हमने एक न्यू हमारा ये लॉन्च किया है, ऐप लॉन्च किया है, उसका नाम है यूनिफॉर्म एस्पिरेंट्स। तो मेक श्योर कि आप वो डाउनलोड करें प्ले स्टोर से, और उसकी लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी। ओके, उसमें आपको सब मिलेगा, लाइव लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे, मॉक टेस्ट मिलेगा, और आपको ये जो पीपीटीज है जो मैं सॉल्व कर रही हूँ वो भी मिलेगा। ओके, सो आपको अभी बहुत ही इजी टॉपिक है और आज हम पूरा बेसिक्स ही करेंगे, सो आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ आएगा। सो जस्ट फॉलो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। ओके, अभी हमें समझना है। ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। यहाँ पे देखिए, अभी टाइम एंड वर्क। तो टाइम एंड वर्क क्या होता है, मतलब हम कितने टाइम में क्या वर्क कर रहे हैं। अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पर्सन है जो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 मिनट में 1000 ये करता है, स्किपिंग करता है, 1000 स्किपिंग्स करता है। ओके, मतलब वो 10 मिनट में 1000 स्किपिंग्स करता है। ओके, मतलब मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, अभी देखो एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे आपको। यहाँ पे देखिए एग्जाम्पल क्या है। What is the example? A person is doing 1000 skippings in 10 minutes. मतलब वो वर्क कितना कर रहा है, ये हम वर्क समझ लेते हैं. What we will assume this as work. Okay. And what is the time given? 10 मिनट्स. ओके, 10 मिनट्स. तो हमें एफिशिएंसी निकालनी है. अभी एफिशिएंसी मतलब होता क्या है, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल माइट बी कंफ्यूज व्हाट इज मेंट बाय एफिशिएंसी. तो एफिशिएंसी मतलब बहुत ही सिंपल है टर्म. यहाँ पे देखो, मतलब अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, मिनट में टाइम दिया है. तो मिनट की सबसे छोटी यूनिट क्या होगी इसमें, 1 मिनट होगा. सबसे छोटा यूनिट 1 मिनट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम गिविंग लाइक 5 आवर्स, तो 5 आवर्स का सबसे छोटा यूनिट क्या होगा, 1 आवर. 1 hour, matlab a person doing work in 1 hour, that is efficiency. Here a person doing how many skippings in 1 minute, that will be the efficiency. अभी यहाँ पे देखो मैंने क्या बोला, what I said. यहाँ पे देखो मैंने क्या बोला कि 10 मिनट में in 10 minutes person is doing 10,000 skippings, 10,000 skippings. So this is a work. What we have assumed that 1000 skippings is work and time is already given. So what is the, now see, you know time, you know work, you can find efficiency. If you know efficiency, if you know time, you can find, if you know efficiency, if you and time, you can find work. And if you know work and efficiency, you can find time. If you know any two things, you can find the third thing. Okay, now see, for example here, यहाँ पे देखिए अभी मैंने क्या बोला, वर्क टाइम एंड एफिशिएंसी. आई टोल्ड यू दिस मीन्स मिनिमम वर्क डन इन मिनिमम टाइम, वर्क डन इन a unit time. Okay, work done in unit time. Okay, now see here, this is efficiency. Time, we know that it might be in seconds, it might be in minutes, and it might be in hours. Sometimes it might be in days, so इसकी efficiency किस में आएगी, 1 second में आएगी. We will tell its efficiency in 1 second, its efficiency in 1 minute. The work a person is doing in 1 second, that will be the efficiency of a person. If the time is given in second, if the time is given in minute, then the efficiency will be the person doing work in specific work in 1 minute, doing in 1 hour, and you are doing in 1 day. A person doing work in 1 day. मतलब efficiency का बहुत ही easy ये है कि a unit work, amount of work a person is doing in the smallest time which is given. Okay, now see here, and work means whatever we are doing, activity or something like that, production or something, that is called as work. The given time or task, that is called as work. Okay, now see here, आपको एक मैं ये देती हूँ. Now see, we have seen this example. What I gave you example is that a person in 10 minutes does how many skippings, 1000 skippings, 1000 skippings, right? Now I have to find what is the efficiency. What is meant by efficiency? A person doing work in 1 minute. A person doing work in 1 minute. A person doing work in 1 minute. What I have to find is a person doing work in 1 minute. Now what we have to do is here, now understand the basic concept. There is one formula. Listen now, what is the formula? Important, very basic formula. It is work is equal to efficiency into time. Work is equal to efficiency into time. Work is equal to efficiency into time. For example, what I told you now only I told you that what is meant by efficiency. Efficiency means work done in a unit. Work done in unit time means a smallest time. In the smallest time, whatever work is done, that is called as efficiency. That much you have to remember. Now what is this? Work is equal to efficiency into time. What I told you, if you know work, you can find if you know work and efficiency, you can find this time. Okay, you can find time. If you know time, you can find if you know time and efficiency, you can find work. If you know work and time, you can find efficiency, right? Chalo, now see here, this we will solve. Okay, this we will solve. See here, now work, first we'll write work. I'm writing here work means W for work, E for efficiency, and time, T for time. Remember this. Okay, remember this. Now see here, what we are taking example that in 10 minutes a person is doing 10,000 1,000 skipping. You can take 10,000 also, but just for explaining you, I'm taking this example. Okay, 1,000. Okay, 1,000 skippings. Now what is given? Work is equal to efficiency into time. You know the formula. Okay, now work, you know work. What is the work? 1,000. What is the work? 1,000. What is the efficiency? You don't know that. In a person is doing how much work in 1 minute. I told you what is meant by efficiency, smallest, like 1 minute. Okay, so you don't know what a person is doing in 1 minute, how much work he is doing, like how many skippings he is doing. So here efficiency will write like that only. For time, what is the time? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, so how you will get this? You know the basic formula. If it is multiplication here and if it is going on the other side of equals to sign, then it will become division. This is a basic rule. You might be knowing board mass multiplication. See here, I'll teach you that also. Okay, if somebody is confused in this, this is multiplication and this is equal to sign. If this multiplication goes here, it will become division. If this division goes here, it will become multiplication. This is vice versa. Okay, same thing happens with addition and subtraction even. Now listen here. Listen here now. What we have done? So this will go here and it will get divided. So efficiency, see, 1,000 upon 10 is equal to E. E means efficiency. 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut. What will be the efficiency? Efficiency will be 100 skippings. Means this guy is doing 100 skipping in 1 minute. 100 skippings in 1 minute. So he can do 1,000 skippings in 10 minutes. Okay, this was basic. Now we'll see the questions and let me tell you the formulas also. There are some small tricks. I'll explain you. They are very easy. Okay, this you understood now. Okay, now see here. See here. Now, for example, I told you efficiency. What is meant by efficiency? A person is doing a work in a smallest time, that is called as efficiency. Smallest time, it doesn't mean that if the work is given in, like, for example, now I took the example that if a person is doing a work in 10 minutes, 1,000 skippings, then you can't take that efficiency of 1 second. You have to take efficiency of 1 minute. That will make your sum easier and it will be easy for you to solve. Okay, now see here. Just a minute. See here now. Here what is written? If A is a basic concept I told you now, formula, work is equal to efficiency into time. Now what is given? If A can do a piece of work in D days, then A's 1 day work is 1 by D. Now I explained you the same thing. Now we did efficiency, right? That is only efficiency. Now say time and work. here there's, now I told you one formula. What was the formula? Work is equal to efficiency into time. Now I told you this. But if, for example, there is not only one man, there are many people working together, like in industries or in, for example, for doing something, right? For example, some people are under one task and doing working together. Then there might be different time, right? So, for example, they are giving you, like, for example, in the question it is given like there are five men doing certain work. I'm guessing that they are writing 10 pages in 2 hours. In 2 hours. Now, based on this information, what I have to find is what is the work given, how much work is given, how much work this means can complete. So how can I find this? But you know this formula, work is equal to efficiency into time. Now tell me, do you know efficiency of this means? No, you don't know. But they have given 2 hours, right? But you know this work, right? What is it? 10 pages. Now see here. What you'll do, there is one formula. This formula is a basic formula. You have to remember it. What is the next formula? You have to remember it. Number of man. Wait, I'll write this in different color, means you'll get it. See, number of man, then time, means a day or hour is given. Now see, here I have given hours, 2 hours, and working for example, I am taking here. I have to remove that. In 5 men works 2 hours and 10 pages. Work is 10 pages. How many days they are working? I have to remove that. Okay. So here, what will be the formula? By this, if given information only, you can form formula. See here, number of mans, number of day, and number of hour upon work, or you can take work here also. Upon work is equal to this. I'll take 1 and here number of man on the other side, number of days and number of hours on the other side upon work given to the other people. Okay, this will be always equal. See here now. Here it is written same thing which I explained you now. Let M1 be the person. Let M1 be the person doing W1 work. Okay, in D1 days with time T1. Okay. M2 be the person. I told you same, their work will be always equal. M1, D1, T1, W2 is equal to, what is meant by M? M means, don't get confused, okay? M means men. M means men. D means days. T means time. Time means what? Hours. W means work. W means work. Same goes with this. Okay, this is the basic formula. Now by using this formula we will solve further. Okay, now see here, read the question. Okay, this is a very easy question. We have to just apply the formula now, and you have to understood the basics. What is basic, what is meant by efficiency, what is meant by work, what is meant by time. Okay, now see this question. If 80 persons can finish a work within 16 days. Okay, 80 persons means I will take man. How many man are? I will take M1. How many man are there? 80. Finish a work within 16 days. How many days are there? 16 days. By working 6 hours. How many hours are there? 6 hours a day. The number of hours the number of hours a day. Should 64 person, now see what is the other condition they are saying. 64 persons are there. Finish that very work within 15 days. Days are given. What is the day? How many days they have to finish in? 15 days. Then what they are asking, the number of hours a day. What is asked here? How many hours will be required for 64% to do the same work as this 80 persons are doing in 16 days and working daily for 6 hours. Okay, now see here. Your dot is there. Okay, now see here. You know that M1. Now your work is given. No, don't take it. Okay, M1, D1, R1 is equal to m2. Why I am taking is equal to? Because work is same, that's why I am taking is equal to, equals to. Otherwise I would have not taken. Okay, always remember why we are applying. Always there is a logic behind formula. Okay, main, how many main are there? 80. Simply write 80, give multiplications, and if you don't want, if you want to give just a dot, you can. 16 days, write 16. 6 hours, write 6 hours. 64 days, what is m2? You have to first write this like this, means it will be easier for you to solve it. Okay, 15 days, and how many hours? You don't know. Now keep everything like this. Now you know in 8 table 80 comes, in 8 table 80 comes, and in 8 table 64 also comes, in 8 table 80 comes, and in 8 table 64 also comes. So 8 za 80, 8 10 za 80, 8 8 za 64. Okay, now see, on the both directions, in both the conditions, here it is 16 and here it is 8. So you know that 8 1 za 8, 8 2 za 16, 8 2 za 16. Now see here, 15 is there, 15 is there, and 10 is there. Yes, so you can write here 5 3 za 15, 5 2 za 10. Okay, now see here nothing, here 3 is remaining, right? Okay, we'll do it with different pen. Okay, now 3 and 6 comes in one table, so 3 1 za 3, 3 2 za 6. Okay, now see, in the right hand side nothing is left, only 1 is left, means only r is left, only r is left. Now as it is, we'll write in this corner, we'll write this in this corner. What is remaining on the left side? 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to h2. Multiply this, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. How many hours 64 people will take? How many hours 64 people will take to work, and how many hours they will work for 15 days? 8 hours. What is the option? 8 hours. What is the option? 8 hours. Okay, chalo, you understood this? I'll save this. Okay, now we'll go on the next question. I hope you might have understood this, very easy. See now here, working 8 hours a day. Immediately write here, immediately whatever is given right here, working 8 hours a day. Anu can copy a book in 18 days. So days are given, 18 days. How many hours a day should she work so as to finish the work in 12 days? So as to finish the work in D2 is 12 days. What you have to find? How many hours of work? See, underline this. Okay, underline this, means you'll understand what has to be found. Okay, what you know, basic. Now man is not given, nothing is given, only one person is there, no need of taking, only take given information. What is given information? Day 1 and R1, day 2 and R2. Means, see now here, how many days? 18 days. How many hours? 18 hours. This will be only work. How many days? 12 days. How many hours? You don't know, write D2. 18, 8 and 12 all are divisible by 2. Yes, now 18 and 12 you can see that it is divisible by which number? It is divisible by 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. Yes or no? Chalo, divide it. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Okay, now you can see 2 and 8. You can see 2 and 8. So do divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now on the right hand side nothing is remaining. Chalo, we will solve it again like this. So how we will solve? 3 into 4 is equal to h2. So 3 4s is 12. 12 is equal to h2. So what is the answer? 12 hours. What is the answer? 12 hours. Understood? Where is the question? We'll move on next. Okay, now very easy it was. It was very easy question. Now chalo, 3 boys, whatever is given you have to just write it one by one. Okay, don't get panic, only read it simply and just write it. I'll take here, means you can see the question. 18 boys can do a piece of work. How many boys are there? For men I have taken M, for boys I'll take B. for not getting confused. Okay, I'm doing this 18. In 28 days, day 24 it is 24. Okay, in how many days can 27 boys, what is B2, 27 boys do the same work? Means we have to find day. How much is given? Only write that much. See, no need of getting confused. I'm teaching in a very easiest form. Okay, B1 into D1 is equal to B2 into D2. Okay, what is B1? 18 into 24 is equal to 27 into D2, right? Into D2. Chalo, now tell me. See here, 27, 24 and 18 is given. 27, 24 and 18 is given. Now you know that 27 and 18 comes in which table? Which table? So you know it is divisible by 3. So do it. Otherwise, you can do it by 9 also. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. It will be easier. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now in 3 table 4 comes a what? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So we will do it here now. 2 into 8 is equal to D2. 8 2s are 16 is equal to D2. You got the days. Yes, answer option is A. Okay, chalo. Now we'll go on next one. Very easy questions. Okay, now see here. 12 carpenters. I'll write here for carpenter C1. Okay, 12. Working 6 hours, H1, 6 a day. Can make 460 chairs. So what is given now? 460. What is 460 chairs? So work will be 460. Don't, this is work. This is work. Okay. Because this is not day, this is not time, this is not a number of persons. So what will be it? Work only. In 24 days, what is given? D1 is 24. Okay. 24. How many? Now underline this. What has to be found? Okay. How many chairs? How many chairs? How many chairs? Means what you have to find? Work. Do 18 carpenters. 18 carpenters. Then make in 36 days. How many days are given? How many days are given? 36 days. Okay. Each working 8 hours. How many hours are given? 8 hours. How many hours are given? 8 hours. What do you have to find? Work you have to find. Now what I told you, there are 2 conditions. See, in all before sums, like 3 sums, what we found that work was same. Only we have to find how many number of hours are taken. Now what we have to find here? We have to find your work. How many people are doing how much work? Okay, now they have given number of people, number of carpenters are 18, but we don't know how much work 18 carpenters can do, right? So let me tell you now. What will be the formula here? Same like this. C1 into R1 into D1 into work. I'll write here. Okay, work I'll write here. W1 and W2. Okay, W1. C2 into H2 R2 and day 2 into work here. Got it? You got it? Okay, chalo. Now you understood this. Now we'll solve here because there is no space here. Okay, now chalo, we'll solve it here. We'll solve it. Okay, we'll solve it here. Now see here. Just write whatever is given. Just write whatever is given. Okay, I'll change column and so you'll understand it. 12. C1 is 12. H1 is 6. Into day 1 is, how many days are there? 24. Upon how much work is there? 460. Okay. Then C2. 18 into 36 into 8. How much work is there? No, you don't know. Fine. No problem. Now see here. Okay, I'll erase this, means I can write here nicely. Wait. Because we have already written this here. I'll get a space to write here, right? Okay, see here now. 12 into 6 into 24 upon 460, right? And what is this? 18 into 36 into 8 upon what? W2, right? Yes or no? Yes, it's correct. Now see here. I'll erase this. Means you'll understand what I'm solving here. Into 18 into, okay, 36 into 8 hours. Into working 8 hours a day. 8. This is 8. Huh? Okay, now see what is divisible by what. What is the first condition we have to do is, we have to see, right, what is divisible by what. Just simplification we have to do and nothing else. See now, 12. This is 360. Huh? This is 360. Okay, 12. Now in 12 table, 18 comes? No. 36 come? Yes, 12 3s are 36. So divide it. 12 1s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. Okay, I'll take a different pen now. In 6 table, anything is coming? No. Yes. 6 3s are 18. 6 1s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Yes, it is coming. Now, 24 and 8 are remaining. So, in 8 table, 24 is coming? Yes. 8 1s are 8. And 8 3s are 24. Now, 3 and 3 are remaining. So, what we will do it? We'll cancel out 3 and 3. Because 3 1s are 3, na? So 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So what is remaining now? What is remaining now? This is division here. After going this side, multiplication. This is division. After going this side, multiplication. And what is this? 3. So what will be the work done? 460 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0. 6 3s are 18. 4 3s are 12 and 13. What is the answer? Option D. Understood? Chalo. Very easy. Just you have to concentrate and do calculation properly. If you are not doing calculation properly, for example, this is 6 3s are 18. Okay. If by mistake, I would have written here 6 2s are 12. Then I would have got here 2. I would have got here 2 and I would have made a mistake of marking B option and that will be wrong. You're getting? Okay. Array, I didn't. Chalo. We'll go on. Okay, I'll write it fast and then I'll save it. Actually, I didn't save. Okay, just a minute. 12 into 6 hours can make an 24 days. And this is 460, right? And this is 18 and 8 and 36. And this is W2. Okay. So what is, what I'll do is 12 ones are 12 3s are. Then here again see 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. Again check here 8 1s are 8 3s are. Again go here 3 and 3 cancel. So what is remaining? Check here. W2 is equal to 460 into 3. Yes, so we multiplied here 460 into 3. Right? 6 3s are 80. 3 zeros are 0, 6 3s are 18, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. This adding up. What is the option? Yes, I'll save this. Okay, very easy question. Okay, chalo. Next. See here. Write immediately what is given. Okay, write immediately what is given. What information is given? 10 men. Right here, M1 is equal to 10. Can do a work in 12 days. D1 is equal to 12. Okay. Then the time taken by 12 men to do the same work. 10. Okay. Then they are asking time taken means how many days are taken. How many days are taken by 12 men. 12 men to do the same work. Now see here. What you know, M1 into D1 is equal to M2 into D2. Right. So what is M1? M1 is 10. What is D1? 12. M2 is 12, D2 is, you don't know, but you know that 12 ones are 12, so 12 ones are 12. What will be the answer? D2 is equal to 10 days. 10 days. Yes? Yes, easy, B option. Okay, I'll save this. And next we'll go. See now, check here, this. Five spiders, right here, S1 spiders. How many spiders are there? 5. Can catch 5 flies. Can catch 5 flies. What will be our work then? Work will be, flies will be work. So work will be 5 flies. In 5 minutes, what will be the minute? What will be time? 5 minutes. How many flies can 100, see, how many flies can 100 spiders? 100 spider, this will be 2. 100 spiders catch in 100 minutes, so minutes are given 100. What you have to find? What you have to find is work. What you have to find is work. How much work? How many flies they will catch? How many flies? Flies. I'll write here, means you'll not get confused. Flies catching. Catched. Flies catched. That will be the work, right? Because they are catching flies. Chalo, straight away do S1 into W1 into M1. Otherwise, you can write work down also, no problem. S1 into M1 upon W1 is equal to S2 into M2, right? S2 into M2. Chalo, then solve it here. Solve it here. What is there? S1. What is S1? 5 into 5 upon 5. What is this? 100 into 100 upon W2. Right? Right? 5 cancel, 5 cancel. Yes, this W2 will come here. This W2 will come here. So, W2 is equal to 100 into 100 upon 5. Yes, when you divide 100 by 5, what will be the answer? 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 and 0. What will be the answer? 100 into 20. 100 into 20. You can see this 100 into 20. Okay, let me save this. 100 into 20. Now see here. What is W2? 100 into 20. So what will be the answer? These two like that only. 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3 zeros. How many flies are catched? 2000. How much work is done? 2000. Okay, means 100 spiders will catch in 100 minutes 2000 flies. They are eating them. Okay, now check this. Now see here. 17 labors. Chalo, note it down. 17 labors. L1 17. Okay, can dig a ditch. Can dig a ditch. Now this, see what they are doing. They are doing digging a ditch. So this will be our work. This will be our work. Dig a ditch. W1 will be how much meter? 626 meters. Huh? This is meters. Okay. Long in 18 days. In 18 days. So D1 will be 18. Fine. Now working 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day. R1 will be 8. Okay, then how many more labors? How many? L2 will be how many more labors to dig a similar ditch of, now what is the work given here? 39 meters. Okay, in 6 days. In how many days? This is 2. In 6 days. In 6 days. Each laborer working 9 hours. Each laborer is working 9 hours. So what they are asking, how many labors are required? How many labors? How many people are required to do this work? Like they have to dig for dig 39 meters. Before they dug 26 meters and 17 people were there. And how many days they worked? 18 days. Each day 8 hours. Okay. Now see here. You can write this like this. See. L1 into W1. See, we'll write work down. Okay. L1 into D1 into H1 R1 upon W1 is equal to L2 into D2 into H2. H2 means hours. Okay. And work. Now there are different works given. So 18 people, 18 labors into 18 hours. Whatever is given, just mention it. Okay. And 8 hours. Okay. And work. What is the work? What 26 meter they have dug. That's why 26 meter is the work. Now see here, what is how many labors? You don't know the labors. Fine. You don't know the labors. Fine. D2. What is D2? We have already written here. 6 means how many days? 6 days, and each day they will work 9 hours. And how much they have to dug? 39 meters. 39 meters. Okay, let me save this because no space here. 39 meters they have to dug. Now we'll remove work. How many labors are required for that much work to be done in that much time? Okay, because they are saying that work shall be done in 6 days. Work shall be done in 6 days. Work shall be done in 6 days. Okay, 6 days. Work shall be done in 6 days. So see here, 18 into 18 into 8 upon 26. Yes, we have substituted our values 6 into 9 upon 39. Simplify this. Chalo, start doing it. If you practice, your speed will increase and you will take less time in exam. Okay, see now, see here 6 is there and here 18 is there. You can write 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. Now check here, check this, 3 is there and 9 is there. Yes, you can do 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Yes, now this is see, this is numerator and denominator, you can divide them also. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Yes, what is remaining now? This also you can divide. How you can divide numerator and denominator? Yes, you can divide it. 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now is equal to is in between, right? If this goes that side, if this goes that side, division goes that side, it will become multiplication. So 13 and 13 will get cancelled because 13 and 13 is a numerator. So how you will write this? How you will write this? Write it with me. 9 into 8 is equal to L2. L2 means number of labors. So 9 8 is how much? 9 8 is, what is 9 8?